Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I'm going to be planning for Monday, November the 14th. Gosh, I can't believe the weekend is already over. I had Friday off and my mom got really sick, and so I spent the whole weekend with her, and glad to have been able to do that, but I also didn't get anything done. I didn't get any recording done. I didn't get to the bank, so I have a lot to do today. And the start of every day, really, whether I record or not, is planning. I am using this cute kit by SimplySmithStickers, and it is a Fur Babies themed sticker kit. I don't know if that will zoom in, but there's little kitty heads and bones and paw prints and fish bones. So I just really thought this was a cute one. I'm excited to use it. This is probably, this one's probably easier for you guys to see the patterns. But it's very neutral. It's very fall themed with the colors. And so this is what I'm working with today. And then I have my Erin Condren A5 Daily Duo. I love, love, love this planner. So let's go ahead and flip to the 14th. So it is Monday, and I'm ready to start a new week. So let's go ahead and flip this around. I find it easier to do the header when it's pointing at me. So let's grab the header strips and let's grab the 14. And the one thing that I like about the sticker kits that Simply Smith has, I don't need tweezers. There are some sticker kits that I need tweezers to get the things off, and their stickers are just cut really well, and they're no itty-bitty, thin, tiny stickers that require tweezers, which is nice. So that's the heading. And now let's put down the check boxes. These are also very neutral. I have a lot to get done today. It's my on-call day at work, but I'm gonna have to take a lunch and sneak away for just a little bit to get my banking done. I've got to go to the bank and get my cash out. So let's grab our box, and you guys gave me some great ideas for using this box down here since I haven't really been using it for work. Somebody suggested writing memories down, or if anything exciting happens, to write it down in the box, which I love that idea. I still haven't been using it, but today is a very special day. Well, it's a sad special day because Carol Ann is going out of town for 5 weeks for a clinical rotation, and this is her first rotation away from home, and I'm really, really sad to see her go. She's been here the whole time, and she's all packed and ready to go, and I'm not ready to let her go yet. Okay, so let's see. I definitely have some script stickers I need to use. I am on call today, and maybe I'll use these thin stickers up here. Is that a whole? Yeah, that covers the whole thing. That's good. So I'm gonna put up here at the top that I'm on call. I'm trying to use more of the stickers. The Simply Smith Stickers, these full kits, they have so much included in them. I couldn't possibly use them all in 1 week. And when I get to the end of the year, I'm going to have a lot of leftovers that I'm going to need to use up. Because, again, it's just impossible to use all of these stickers. Okay, and then I have my meetings for today. And I think, is that I don't know if this is a 3-hour block. I think it is. No, it's 2 hours. It's more time than I need, but I do have my weekly meeting with my boss this morning, in addition to all of my regular meetings. So I'll probably be tied up from like 7:30 to 9:30. We had a big upgrade over the weekend, and I'm sure it's going to be a crazy busy day today. Plus, I'm on call. I'm just going to knock on wood and hope and pray that it's quiet today, because on-call days can be really stressful. Okay, and then I have my normal meeting from 3 to 5, but I think I'm going to use the skinny sticker here just to mark the start of it. Since I've got that big sticker up there, I don't really want another one down here at the bottom. I've really been trying to do better about filming, because the hard part about the filming is the editing and uploading, and been trying to do a little bit better on my filming so that there's minimal editing. And by minimal, I mean just like the very beginning few seconds when I'm trying to adjust my camera, and I cut that out using iMovie and adding my intro and my outro, and that's it. So I'm really trying hard to create more videos for you guys to watch, which are videos that I need to film because of these are things I need to do, but I'm trying to spend less time with the editing process so that it gives me, that's a teeny tiny meeting, it gives me more time to do other things. It's a little crooked, but that's okay. All right, so now that I've got all my stickers down, let me do my to-do list. I kind of fell off the wagon working out after I broke my toe, and so I definitely am going to try to get back into the routine of things. I just haven't been able to do it, so we're going to work out today. I'm not going to try to work out. I am going to work out. And shower should be a given, but I like to be able to check things off. The dishes are going to need to be done. Carol Ann, bless her heart, she didn't know that I was coming home yesterday and had planned on getting everything cleaned up before I got here, but there's dishes in the sink, so I'm going to take care of those. And the litter boxes need to be done for sure. Just all the things that I should have done over the weekend, but since I wasn't here, I didn't get anything done. Let's see, I need to go to the bank. And I need to film my cash envelope video. And I need to film sinking funds. And we're doing the plan with me. I think that's probably it for YouTube. So that would give me, so today you'll see the video where I did my nails on a budget. You'll see this plan with me tomorrow you'll see the cash envelope stuffing along with the planning video. And then Wednesday, planning video and sinking funds. And then I'm trying to think if there's any other filming I need to do. I don't think so. I think that's it for filming. I'm going to keep my to-do list pretty short and sweet for this day, especially since I don't know what the day is going to hold with work and my on-call day. It could be pretty gnarly, so I think I can always add to it later as, you know, I think of things or I have more time. But I think this is going to give me enough to do and something that I could reasonably get done in a day. So let me know what's going on in your day today. I love planning videos, and if you have any planning channels that you suggest, please leave those down below. I have a few favorites, but I'm interested in knowing what yours are. And then let me know what you got going on today. Any to-dos, events, you know, that kind of good stuff. Share with us. All right, guys, that is everything from me. Again, this is a plan with me for Monday, November the 14th. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.